What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. In today's video, I want to talk about how to save you some money on your vacation packages. So I want to share with you one powerful tip that can really help you out. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So I want to share something with you if you really want to save some money on a vacation package. And so if you're one of the types that like to take exotic vacations, go to Punta Cana, Cancun, all these exotic places, sit on the beach, drink your margarita, with the little umbrella in it. I want to share something with you that can help you save some money. Okay, so here's the major thing. Okay, if you right now, if the biggest thing that will cost you for an all-inclusive thing or a vacation package like that would be the flight getting there. I just found out something that can really save you some money. Now, I recommend taking charter flights, private charter flights. Those get you very, very cheap packages. Okay, they got a lot of cheap packages that you can take. They're one-stop flights. Okay, non-stop flights going to maybe Cancun from your destination, or Punta Cana, all type of other places, Cozumel. So if you take a private charter flight, it will save you a ton of money. Okay, and they already have pre-built packages based upon charter flights and certain dates that will save you money. So we were just looking at a trip last night and found out that a deposit was only $100 for the entire trip per person. So, and this was due to going through the charter flight. Now, a regular flight would be way much more money, but charter flights, private charter flights, can save you money on your flight, okay, as well as your vacation package if it's all included. So you got your flight, your vacation package, your all inclusive, everything all built into one. And you don't have to pay a small deposit, basically around $100. So just want you to put that into play. Think about going through a charter flight versus a regular air flight. That'll save you a ton of money. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say you can only get certain charter flights, certain ones, through a travel agent. So you might want to go through a travel agent and see about getting charter flights. Okay, so that's my time. Hope you found value from this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, happy traveling. All right, bye-bye.